IBASE Technology has two manufacturing sites, one in Sanchung and another one in Hsinchuang, both of which are in New Taipei City. The Sanchung factory carries out the complete process of board production and system assembly, while the Hsinchuang factory specializes in the testing of single board computers and the assembly and validation of whole systems. The two factories are both ISO certified. The Sanchung factory, however, has also achieved ISO 14000 certification. The IBASE factories are designed with anti-static protection. A static monitoring device checks the grounding impedance of the entire factory. For products to meet UL or safety certification requirements, every detail has to be taken care of at the very beginning. Inspection procedures start from the incoming materials stage. After the factory confirms the quantity of the items and receives them, the IQC department takes over to implement gross analysis and specification confirmation, according to the MIL standard 105E Level 2 AQL 0.65%. Parts that are sensitive to temperature and humidity are stored in particular areas which are completely under temperature and humidity control. Motherboard production must have excellent production facilities, but more importantly, it requires effective inspection tools and procedures, including solder paste thickness measurement, 2.5D X-ray scan, 3D scope for solder ball inspection, and 100% AOI inspection to control the SMT production quality. IBASE utilizes error-free pick-and-place machines to ensure correct component in the right place and product quality. After lead component insertion, all boards are subjected to 100% solder side inspection and electronic magnifier and voltage measurements. Relative to testing with ICT fixture, IBASE implements a 100% full-function testing on every single board. IBASE uses its own and third-party software to test all board connectors and functions. Each batch of motherboards or systems is subjected to random sampling for cross-verification of temperature and humidity, as well as vibration verification to ensure that manufactured products meet R&D standards. IBASE's RMA department has all the needed equipment to repair any part on the motherboard. To achieve high-quality production, particularly in the assembly of panel PCs, IBASE is equipped with two Class 10,000 clean rooms and formulated a strict in and out standard. Procedures requiring a controlled level of contamination can be done in the two clean rooms, such as protective film application. In order to control the quality, QC staff carry out 100% inspection also in the clean rooms to minimize the possibility of contamination. Dust control precautions are also taken during the final assembly. Dust-proof curtains are used, as well as a special auto-grade spray solution to guard against dust. To conform to safety standards, all systems must undergo high pot testing, ensuring that the leakage current is in limits. The minimum 4 hours of 100% burn-in test can detect early failures in the factory and ensure the durability and reliability of the systems. To satisfy the demands of individual clients, IBASE can also add designated software to the high-temperature burn-in process. Right after each system passes through the burn-in test, it goes through full-function testing to ensure proper operation of all functions at high temperature in long periods of time. For use as an outdoor product, high-temperature testing is used to validate system stability, and long-period of infrared exposure test is made to make sure that the systems can work normally under direct exposure to the sun. In the final inspection process, all fully tested products are subjected to a final inspection before product packing, applying AQL standard. After this inspection, and during the packing stage, the last OQC is carried out, and then products are stored, waiting for delivery. Teamwork, sharing, innovation, efficiency, service. These are the corporate cornerstones of IBASE. With this in mind, the team commits itself to persistently provide customers with products and services of the highest quality and competitiveness and achieve a win-win solution.